Hello grade 2s. We are going to learn what is called column addition. Before, we used to add, like we say, 9 plus 1 equals 10. But if we have something like 23 plus 11, how will we work this one out without using counters? We have got a very simple way of working this out. Of course, I know that this one will give me 34. Let's find out how. Right, I do have here 32 plus 51. We cannot use counters to work this one out. It will take us years. A lot of time will be wasted while trying to do this. So we use what we call the column addition, whereby we start adding the units, then we add the tens. So in this case, let's just get into it. 2 plus 1 will give us 3. So we have 3 there. 3 plus 5 on the tens will give us 8. So if we were to use counters, we'll use very few counters to count for the tens, very few counters to count for the units. So 32 plus 51 equals 83. Let's look at yet another example. Here I have 73 plus 31. As usual, we are going to start by adding the units. 3 plus 1. What do I get? 3 plus 1. If you don't know, you will use counters. 3 plus 1 equals to 4. Now we have 7 plus 3. If you don't know, let's use counters. 1. 7 plus 3. 1, 2, 3. I'll just put them next to my 7 there, so that I will count on. So I will count on saying 7, 8, 9, 10. So 7 plus 3 will give me 10. But we cannot write 10 in one box like this. It doesn't make sense. So what are we going to do? We are going to write a 0 there. So we have 0. Then the 1 is carried into this next box. And this next box, we have created hundreds. So when we read this number, it's now in the hundreds. It's no more tens and units. 104. So 73 plus 31 equals 104. Let's look at yet another one. We have 67 plus 13. 7 plus 3 will give me 10. But I cannot write 10 here like this. Instead of writing 10 there, we are going to write a 0. And the 1 is carried. I'll put it in a different color there. So this is my 10. It's written bending like this. It's bent. So I put a 0 under the units, because when we write the number 10, we write it like this. So these are units and these are tens. So if you write the number in one box, it means you are writing tens and units in one box for the units. So we will write 0 in the units, and the 10 will be carried over to the tens. So now we have 6 plus 1. This will give me 7. Then 7 plus 1. This number, we don't throw it away. We are going to add it. 7 plus 1 is 8. So as you can see now, 67 plus 13 is equals to 80. So here we have learned how to add using the column addition, which makes it easy for us to add 2-digit numbers and any other numbers that are big. Thank you for watching. Please, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel for you to get new videos that we'll be putting for you. Thank you very much.